Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pudding jelly at home. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You will need 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, 1 box of your favorite pudding mix, sugar, and milk. Make sure you also have a saucepan, a whisk, and measuring cups ready. This simple dessert is perfect for any occasion and can be customized with various flavors and toppings. Now let's get to the fun part. Mixing. In a small bowl, combine 1 packet of unflavored gelatin with 1/2 cup of cold water and let it sit for 5 minutes to bloom. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, heat 2 cups of milk and 1/2 cup of sugar over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Then, whisk in your pudding mix and the bloomed gelatin until everything is fully dissolved and smooth. Once your mixture is smooth, it's time to set it. Carefully pour the warm pudding jelly into individual serving dishes, like small ramekins, or into a larger decorative mold. Now comes the waiting game. Place your dishes in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. For the best, firmest results, I recommend chilling it overnight. This ensures your pudding jelly is perfectly set and ready to enjoy. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, serving your delicious homemade pudding jelly. This dessert is best served chilled. You can get creative with your garnishes. Try fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even some chocolate shavings. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pudding flavors and toppings to discover your own unique combinations. Enjoy this simple, delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.